Assalamualaikum students. In our last class, we have studied about the concept of quantization. In this class, we are going to study about the compounding. In compounding, we will study a signal is going to be compressed as well as a signal is going to be expanded. Combinedly, we call it as a compounding. Okay. So now, in case of a uniform quantization, once the step size is fixed, the quantization noise power remains constant, but the signal power is not constant. So in this case, if the signal power will be small for the weak signals, but quantization noise power is constant. So this will affect the quality of the signal. In order to overcome this problem, compounding is used. In compounding process, initially the signal is inputted to the compressor, wherein the weak signals are amplified and the strong signals are attenuated. And this process is called as compression. Next, the output of the uniform quantizer is fed into the expander. Here, exactly opposite operation takes place. That is, the circuit is used for providing expansion. The process is called as expansion. In the compression of signal at the transmission and the expansion at the receiver is combined to be called as compounding. So the here you can see the block diagram where exactly the compounding takes place. At the input of the quantizer we have compressor, and the output of the quantizer we have expander, where expansion process takes place. So in order to understand clearly, let us analyze the waveform at the input and output. As you can see in the figure A or waveform A, compressor provides a higher gain to weak signals and smaller gain to strong signal. Thus, the weak signals are artificially boosted to improve the signal to noise ratio. Now consider figure B. In this, it ensures that all the artificially boosted signals by the compressor are brought back to their original amplitudes at the receiver end. Hope you have understood. Now, and the figure B shows the combined waveform of compressor and expander, wherein you can see the input voltage as well as the output voltages. Hope you have understood the concept of compounding. Thank you.